Okay folks, this is section B of the June 2015 Graphic Products GCSE paper. Just going to go through a few of the questions that appeared in your mock exam and how to answer these. So the first one is section B. This question is about representing data. You're advised to spend 16 minutes on this question. Draw a line to match each method of representing data with its graphical form. Okay, so you can see that this is worth 4 marks. So we've got to get 4 lines in the right place. And it's very simple, and we get these quite a lot in graphical products, is you actually just got to match them up. So you'll see the first one here is a line graph. Okay, well let's just go through what they are. This is a pie chart. We've got a bar chart down here. This is a histogram, okay, because it's up into range, into levels. We've got a line chart at the bottom, and the one missing is this one here, because we've got 5 against 4, and this one here is actually a pictogram. Let's just line these up. Okay, it doesn't even need to be a straight ruled line, and so on. Problem with this question, of course, is if you get one in the wrong place, the chances are that you're going to get the other one in the wrong place. Move on to the next question. And it says, describe one advantage of using a bar chart to represent data. So the advantages of using a bar chart are as follows, and again it's given 2 marks, so 1 advantage, 2 marks. And the advantages, of course, there are a number of different advantages, and we can start to add those in. So I'm thinking about here, maybe easy to read or understand. Shows categories. Easy to construct, whereas like a pie chart has angles. Clarify, estimate at a glance. You can see large columns against small columns. Okay, it's an international language, which basically means that if you give a bar chart to any person, any different language, they should be able to recognise which bar chart in terms of data, highest, smallest, etc. Any of those will give you 2 marks. So we move to this one here. It says the results of a questionnaire to find out the fruit which is most popular in school canteen is shown in figure 1 below. So this is figure 1 here. Complete the pictograph in figure 2 using the data in the table. Each symbol represents 10% of the result. Okay, so marks awarded for accuracy of data, 4 marks, use of symbols, 3 marks, labelling of the graph, 3 marks. So once again with this question, it doesn't ask you to colour at all, just asking you to draw the symbols, and this is the chart that we have been given. Okay, so first thing that we need to do, which is really simple, and this gives you 3 marks, and that is labelling the graph. Okay, so this one has got to be something like most popular fruit. Okay, make sure you can read it. Then we've got the axes down the side. You can see the lines this way, and of course this is going to be a percentage. Okay, and then of course along the bottom you can put fruit or type of fruit. Okay, so the first question here says that the apple is 20%. So I now need to draw another apple that fits inside here. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4 high. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically that has got to fit into, my sketch has got to fit into that drawing there. Okay, then I've got 10% of the banana. So the banana is here, and again it's got to fit into that drawing there. Okay, and I've got 30% for, and this got to be stacked on top of each other, so 30% for the strawberry. So again that's got to sit up to here, and then I've got 40% for the pear. So this time it's got to go up to 30, 40. So those are my areas for my particular shapes, and now I've simply just got to draw those in. So we're looking at a representation of the apple, which has got to be similar to this one here, and they'll look for like a good drawing of what it looks like. And again, it just needs to be freehand. Then they're looking for a representation of the banana, so the banana has to fit in that gap there. And again, not going outside the box. Okay, good representation of the banana. Doesn't say to add any colour, but something that sticks inside the box. Then we're looking for the strawberry. So the strawberry fits inside here. And again, we're looking for sort of we need sort of three or identical ones of these. So they're all pretty much the same sort of shape. Don't need to be perfect, but as long as the accuracy of the data is there. And then we've got the pear, which you can see is a little bit of a funny shape, but we'll draw that in as well. It's a little bit sort of a squishy sort of shape. And again, I just got to get 4 of those, so I'm just going to draw these in and get 4 relatively decent pears, similar sort of shape. Do my percentages down the side: 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. Okay, and something like that would give me absolutely full marks. So we've got accuracy of symbols 4, well, they all look pretty accurate and the same. Use of symbols 3, which means have you got the right amount? 4, 3, 1, 2. Labelling the graph, okay, gives you the full amount.